How to get Hulu on Disney Plus. Go to disneyplus.com on your mobile or web browser and log into your Disney Plus account. Select your profile icon in the top right corner, then choose Account from the drop-down menu. In the account settings, scroll to the section labeled Your Other Services and click on Hulu. You'll be redirected to the Hulu sign-in page. Log in with your existing Hulu account or create a new Hulu subscription if you don't have one. Once logged in or subscribed, Hulu content will be accessible through the Disney Plus website or app via the Hulu title/icon. To watch Hulu on your device, make sure you have downloaded both the Disney Plus and Hulu apps and sign in using the same accounts linked during setup. If you want to save money, you can subscribe to Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN bundle, which gives access to all three services under one monthly payment. Remember, Hulu and Disney Plus remain separate apps, so you will watch some Hulu content through the Hulu app, but certain Hulu shows may also appear on Disney Plus within the Hulu section. If any issue arises, check that your subscription is active and you have logged into the correct accounts on both apps. Enjoy streaming Hulu along with your Disney Plus content easily and legally. Subscribe.